Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Tulsi and I am back with another video, and this is about the Singapore Zoo and the Mandai Bird Paradise Park that we visited recently. So I'm going to share all the details about how did we go there and how was our journey. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, how did we reach there? So the taxi fares were quite expensive. It was $35 for Mandai Wildlife Reserve. So we decided to go by shuttle. So we reached the Khatib station. From Khatib bus station, there is a shuttle to the Mandai Wildlife Reserve, which costs you around $2.5 per person. So it is quite cheap and easy option to reach the Mandai Wildlife Reserve. The second concern was we had a very limited amount of time in Singapore, so we wanted to visit bird park and zoo in the same day. Everyone say that a bird park and zoo cannot be done in one day because they are very big individually. Like zoo is very big, you need to walk a lot, and even the bird park you need to walk a lot in the bird park as well, but we wanted to see both of them, so we decided to do it in one day. Three things to keep in mind is carry snacks, carry refillable water bottles because you can refill water bottles everywhere in Singapore. Carry hat and do not carry extra luggage with you because you need to walk a lot. Always advisable to have minimal amount of things to carry, or else it can get more tiring to you. We decided to enter the zoo. So there are two major shows that happens in the zoo that we did not wanted to miss and planned accordingly. After entering the zoo, we explored some part of the zoo, and then we attended a show that is the Splash Safari, that is the sea lion show that happens there at 10:30 a.m. and it is a must watch show if you are in the zoo. It is amazing. Later in the video you will see all the clips of the show, and the video cannot do justice of what we witnessed there, so watching it live is always beautiful.
मरी हुई मछली खिला रहे उसको। You use it?
भाई एक्टिंग भी करता है, ग्रेट एक्टिंग। And the second show that we attended was the Rainforest Fight Bags. That was around 12:30 a.m. So, sorry, 12:30 p.m. So what we did was, after 10:30 show that we attended, we explored the entire zoo and came back to the amphitheater for 12:30 show, and then we left the zoo for around 1:30 p.m. to visit the bird paradise. First, we decided that we will roam in the zoo in the tram that is there, free tram, but the plan did not work out because sitting in the tram cannot help you see all the animals, so you need to walk. When you are in zoo, there is no other option, so the tram just takes you from one point to other, but that doesn't cover the entire thing. So if you need to watch all the animals and enjoy, you need to walk a lot in zoo. So there are different feeding session and feeding times for the animals where you can actually feed the animals, but if you are in a hurry, you need to skip this. Otherwise, you can enjoy this activity in the zoo as well.
This video is divided into sections, so just in case if you're looking for something specific, you can check the description for the timestamps and you can skip to that part. Can you imagine, these turtles are around 84 years old?
is a pond stay. Now the reason why they are called pond stay is because the people in confidence. Also, the pattern over here has a similar pattern to what we call I do apologize to me for stealing your. Now let's watch how they swim. Alright, so take a look at the spread over here. Otters jump around quite slowly. These otters in the boat. Alright,
That's a
that's
deal.
fish. And now let's give you goodbye to Mia and Stallone. Bye. Recycle. Alright, something offshore. He has a ambitious. He has a metal ticket. Moving on to the plastic bottle.
Even animals understand this.
Searching.
Even animals understand this.
It's the last plastic bottle. Good job, baby.
A world without wildlife is a world without nature. So, keep the wild within you and around you. Keep the wild alive.
We knew the day was long, so we packed food for ourselves and also packed mini lunch for ourselves, as we were not aware that we'll get veg food over there or not. Leaving the zoo, we visited the bird paradise and we had our lunch over there before starting the journey to the bird park. So bird park also is a very big place to explore and you need to walk. It's always advisable to follow the map that they have given so that you go in a straight line and you don't miss any place and you don't walk extra miles. So yes, bird park also has two main shows to watch, that is the Predators of the Wings that we watched around 2:30 p.m. in the amphitheater. Then we explored the bird park and around 5:30 the Wings of the World show happened. So both the shows are must watch show and do not miss them if you are in the bird park.
The Penguin Cove was one of the most beautiful and peaceful arena in the bird park, and we loved it a lot. You'll find free shuttle in Bird Park as well, which takes you from station 1 to station 2. That's it. Rest you need to do the walking. And here we move to the next show, Predators of the Wings.
Another local species that you can find right here in Singapore. And the rodents that these birds hunt for never hear them coming. And now this is because owls now when a king descends upon a carcass, other vultures will make way for the king. And this is because the king can get into parts of the carcass that other vultures cannot.
But you know, you just intimidate small vultures, right?
Well, no, actually.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, our friend was called after the video, and then we have to like me and
Well, although there are vultures, they cooperate and coexist with the other vultures, joining them in the beach. Now, there are 11 species of vultures in Africa. These are up to 70.
The most beautiful zone in the bird park was this flamingo zone with different vibrant colors of flamingos all around. This This bird park is Asia's biggest bird park and it is home to almost 400 plus species of birds, and we were amazed to see the birds were flying freely. They were not kept in the cage, which was the beautiful part of this bird park. We almost completed 20,000 steps this day and we were absolutely tired, but we were happy to take the memories back with us. After watching so many birds, we just entered the amphitheater for the last show of the day, that was called as the Kings of the World, and you should not miss this show if you are in Bird Park.
Yes, wait for it. Wow, great job, there it is. Is there one of Peachy? Of course there is. Okay, just wait for it. Oh, Quincy said more than welcome. So he actually said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's hear that one more time. Are you ready? Welcome then. Parrot, Parrot, Parrot. Great job, Quincy. Olivia, let's go. Wow, my goodness.
Break mara. कैसे बैठा था इसमें?
Both the parks shut down around 6 p.m. in the evening, so we almost finished exploring both the parks at 6 p.m. left for the home. So the shuttle also leaves you back to the Khatib station from here where you can get the MRT. I hope you like this video. If you like it, do not forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more such videos. Until then, bye.